Hey folks, it's Nessa here on Infinitely Zero's channel. Welcome, welcome. I wanted to show the, whoops, it's upside down. My Darn Good Yarn, my yarn subscription of the month from Darn Good Yarns for the month of April. I did order it. It's very, very pretty. So, the yarn subscription comes with 3 hanks, or skeins, or cakes. And I decided to get an extra one this time because it was just, it's very pretty. It's like 2 tones of green with some off-white color. So it looks like that, so it's marled. The colorway is called Mystic Healer. They're classifying as a worsted weight yarn. It's made out of reclaimed saris, so it's recycled silk. This is about how thick it is. I would say it's more of a very thin 4. I think it's closer to a 3 weight, like a DK weight. And it says here it's hand wash only, lay flat to dry. Each hank is 50 grams or 75 yards, or 68 meters, and it's 1.8 ounces. Believe it's made in India. That noise in the background, my dog decided to play, so he's being super cute. And they recommend size US 8 or 5 millimeter knitting needles, or a 5.5 I9, 5.5 millimeter US I9 crochet hook. And that's what I just read to you guys. And that's the name, the colorway name. And the little blurb they have in here. This year they decided to do the yarn to be goddess themed, so they call it the Goddess series. So this colorway is they're saying having it represent Isis. So it says Goddess series Isis, step into the sacred embrace of Isis, the Egyptian goddess of wisdom, healing, and transformation. With Mystic Healer, this enchanting worsted weight yarn weaves together shades of turquoise, soft sage green, and pearl white. Capturing the essence of her divine power, the calming turquoise reflects Isis's protective and intuitive nature as a healer and guardian, while the soft sage green embodies the renewal and growth, mirroring the goddess's nurturing touch. Accents of pearl white glow with an ethereal light, honoring her connections to magic and the unseen realms. And then they talk about that you're supporting the artisans. Personally, I think it's more of like a richer, like, forest green. Not really turquoise, but hey, they see it as turquoise. And this is the booklet that came with it for this month. I know I mentioned how much it cost in the other videos. I can't remember right now. Yeah, and then the first page, they're saying the same thing that I read on the card. It's just in a little bigger font. They provide a free knit pattern and a free crochet pattern and a coupon to get more patterns if you need them, if you want a free extra pattern. So the crochet pattern, its skill is easy, and it's called the Beachcomber Slouchy Hat. It's designed by Nell. So that's what the hat looks like. I think it's pretty. I may actually try to make it. You know, just add it to all the other things I have to do. How odd. It doesn't say how much yarn you need. Goes materials needed, and then it has like 4 different size hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different size hooks listed. And just worsted weight yarn, but it doesn't say how many, the yardage. Weird. Because I'd like to know if I have enough, or, you know, if how much leftovers I may have. I think I'll ask in the Facebook group. They have a Facebook group. They have a crafting one. They have one for their skirts subscriptions of the month, and then they also have a an official yarn subscription Facebook group. And then the knit pattern is really pretty. It says skill level is advanced, and it's the Ash Cave beanie. And one of the other ones, they had a pattern for pets too in the booklet. I thought that was really cool. So it doesn't look they have that in this one. And then on the back page, they have, you know, the QR code, coupon code for an extra free pattern. And they email you. You also get a 35% off coupon for the month. And they're emailing those now. So yeah, so I think it was really pretty. I'm glad I ordered a fourth one. And then it also came with a gift. This is the gift. It's a little sewing kit. I think it's adorable, like a little sewing. It's easy to open too. There's like, you open it and it's yellow, so it's easy to find. It has snaps and buttons and needles and little pair of scissors and threader, I think that's called. You know, to help you thread yarn. It's behind the scissors. Oh, they click in place too. There it is. With tweezers and then pins and a few needles and a safety pin. I guess you can always add more safety pins to that little part. And here it's like some thread. Some thread. I can't even get the thing out of there. Oh, it has a little thing on the other side. You have to slide it out. Yeah. So it clicks in place. Very cool. So you can refill the stuff too. Neat. And then it has those there. So yeah, so that's everything I wanted to show you guys. I have a bunch of other videos to do, but I'm also really busy with work training and other stuff going on. And I haven't been feeling too well, not getting enough sleep, and too tired. So anyways, thank you everyone for watching, for returning. New and existing watchers and subscribers, thank you so much for my members, for all your continued support. And if you like the content on my channel, please click like and subscribe. It's underneath this video. And thanks so much. Bye.